Yeah, one person can come step up.
Hello, I'm Chiku Maharaj. I founded this club because I'm very sensitive to many things in the world and some people around me. And they have the same problem behind all the members here. So next I present Mr. Dhinchak.
I am Mr. Dinjak, and I'm very passionate about sneezing at everything and everyone. So this club, I found home when I saw the club. So I'm very happy that it exists. And one more member, Mr. will be back. Go.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm Mr. So I used to feel very lonely, when I'll do and people will laugh at me. But then I found Chiku Maharaj, and he was like a godfather to me, because he gave me this community which I can relate to, and we all can relate and talk about sneezing and different types of sneezing. I'm also learning this other kind, which is like sneezing thrice, like and it is taught by Miss Triple Sneezer.
Triple sneezer. So I love sneezing. I lost 4 kgs just by sneezing last month, and there's just so much variety to it. There is never a dull day in my life. I can sneeze in 100 different ways, and I also meet very many people, and my knowledge base and experience keeps growing when new people join. I also like to copy them, and also my favorite style is sneezing out loud, raise the roof, also sneeze it in such a way that no other person is audible, just like this. And there is so many stylish gestures you can follow it with. Now I will introduce you to my fellow club member whose specialty is in sneezing without any sound. However, the other person will feel all the love everywhere on them. Presenting to you Miss Showerhead.
That's the way I like to sneeze. And I'm the kind of person that I sneeze in class all the time. So, it's and I relate with other sneezers because every time you sneeze, somebody has to say bless you. So, and now I'm going to introduce Miss Mellon.
Hello. So the reason I decided to join this club was I took inspiration from my dad. He is the loudest and proudest sneezer of our entire household. You can hear him from a mile radius apart. Yeah, just like that. And he's very inspiring. And I actually had all my club members meet him, and he contributed a new way of sneezing to our club. And now I'll introduce Miss
She will take her name only.
Miss
You see, like my sneezes, nobody knows if I'm laughing or if I'm sneezing. So I always love seeing all the very confused looks all around me when I sneeze. It gives me a lot of pleasure. My name is H, and I really love this club because they understand the joy of my sneeze.